Hey guys, what's going on? It's Mark. Check this out. This is a beautiful 2016 Ford F-150 XLT 5.0 liter 4x4. It's got a 5.0 liter Coyote motor in it and a Edge tuner with so many modifications and tasteful additions, I guess you could say. It's got a 6-inch rough country suspension lift kit, M1 mono tube rough country shocks, a rough country upper control arms, special ones right there, the nice LED headlights that go bling bling when you turn on the light, different colors and everything. Super nice setup. Rough country drop bracket and suspension, wheels 35 12 50 22-inch tires on a Archon off-road 22x12 wheel. Nice setup here, guys. I think this one is sold, so I won't be here for a few more hours, I would say. But super nice truck. It's my favorite color in this gray. It's like a concrete gray. Nice full exhaust system. Starts up. It's got the little step bars that you can click. Check this out. Ready? Sounds tough as hell. 1, 2. Oh, spits out some condensation at me. Dual exhaust, 5.0 liter. Hit the button again. Cuts it off. Keypad, 107,933 miles. Super nice. Let us know if you have any questions for it. 540-898-3025. See ya.